Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when your iPhone voice is not working during calls. So let's get started. Solution 1. Clean the microphone. First check your iPhone's microphone. At the bottom of your phone, you will see a small holes. That's your mic. Sometimes dirt or dust block it. Just take a soft brush or clean cloth and gently wipe the microphone area. Solution 2. Check if Bluetooth is on. If your Bluetooth is on, your mic may connect to AirPods or another device. Go to Settings app, tap Bluetooth, and here turn Bluetooth off. Solution 3. Turn off noise cancellation. Sometimes noise cancellation causes mic issues. Go to Settings app, then tap Accessibility. Now tap Audio and Visual. Swipe down and turn off phone noise cancellation. Now try calling again. Solution 4. Check your mic in other apps. Open Voice Momos and a record short clip. If your voice is not clear here too, then it's definitely a mic problem. If it works fine, then the issue is with the calling app or network. Solution 5. Update your iPhone. Go to Settings app. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. New update fix bugs related to calling or microphone. Solution 6. Reset network settings. This fixes calling and audio bugs. Go to Settings app. Then tap General. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next tap Reset. Then tap Reset network settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. And again tap on Reset network settings to confirm your action. Don't worry, it won't delete your photos or apps, it only reset network settings. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.